Cash App account is usually closed automatically when the system detects policy violations, identity verification issues, or repeated risky activity on the account. By the end, you'll know the main reasons Cash App closes accounts, what you can realistically recover, and the steps that sometimes restore access. Start with the most common cause. Cash App closes accounts when it detects activity that violates its terms of service. That includes suspicious transactions, charge disputes, or attempts that look like fraud patterns. Now explain what that means. Even normal actions can trigger restrictions if the system flags them as unusual compared to your past activity. Now explain another major cause. Identity verification problems are another common reason for account closure. If Cash App cannot confirm your identity details, it may restrict or close the account. Now explain what users often miss. Mismatched name, outdated ID documents, or incomplete verification steps can all cause this issue. Now explain account behavior triggers. Repeated failed transfers, chargebacks, or sending money to restricted users can also increase risk flags. Now explain what happens when the account is closed. When Cash App closes an account, access to sending and receiving money is usually disabled immediately. Some accounts may still allow limited login access to withdraw remaining funds. Now explain the first step to take. Open Cash App and check your email linked to the account. Cash App usually sends a message explaining the closure reason or restriction type. Now, explain the next step. If withdrawal access is still available, transfer any remaining balance to your linked bank account immediately. Now explain the support step. Contact Cash App support directly through the app or official help center. This is the only way to request a review or appeal a closure decision. Now explain expectations. Not every account closure can be reversed. Some closures are permanent if they involve policy violations or fraud risk decisions. Now explain a key mistake. Creating a new Cash App account without resolving the issue can lead to both accounts being flagged. Now, explain prevention. Keeping consistent account details, using real identity information, and avoiding risky transaction patterns reduces the chance of future closures. Now, summarize the core idea. Cash App account closures usually happen due to policy flags, verification issues, or risk detection systems. Recovery depends on whether Cash App allows an appeal or withdrawal access. And prevention comes down to stable, verified, and consistent account activity. One practical next step. Check your linked email and Cash App inbox first, because the closure notice usually contains the exact reason and next action. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear explanations of Cash App issues and fixes without confusion.